Are you wasting hours doing tasks that AI can do in seconds? Let me show you 5 insanely useful AI websites that'll change the way you work, and the best part? They're all free. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, OpenAI.com. If you haven't used ChatGPT yet, you're missing out. It can help you write emails, create business ideas, fix your code, generate lesson plans, and even explain complex topics like you're 5. It's like having a personal assistant, tutor, and writer all in one tab. Number 2. Gamma.app. Need to make a presentation fast? Just write a few bullet points, and Gamma turns it into a professional-looking slideshow. Instantly, no PowerPoint skills needed. Students, marketers, and even startup founders are loving this. Number 3. Pictory AI. Pictory AI. Want to turn your blog or script into a video? Pictory does it with just one click. It adds B-roll, voiceover, and subtitles automatically. It's a goldmine for YouTubers, bloggers, and social media creators. Number 4. Notion AI. Notion, so, A. If you use Notion for work or school, the AI feature is incredible. It summarizes long notes, generates to-do lists, and even rewrites your messy paragraphs. It's like having a second brain. Number 5. TTS Maker. TTS Maker. TTS Maker. Want to turn your text into natural-sounding voiceovers? TTS Maker offers high-quality voices for free, with no watermark. It's perfect for faceless videos, audiobooks, or TikToks. These tools are not only free, they're your secret weapon for saving time and boosting productivity. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to AIDailyLab for more daily AI tools that anyone can use. No coding, no stress, just results.